Hello, Morgan Studios. This is how to make Sketchbook presentations in Sketchbook Mobile Pro for your smartphone. So just making smartphone presentations. First off, save often. Mobile phones have limited memory, so it'd be wise to just make videos in maybe 3 to 4 minute segments and then put them together. Don't try to make a long 30-minute video in one take. Save it, store it away, do retakes. Not retakes, but just splice it together. Okay, I use AZ Screen Recorder. There's a lot of other programs you can use to record your screen, but I use AZ Screen Recorder. In Sketchbook Mobile, I use a 1440 by 3026 screen size. It just fills up the screen, whatever fills up your screen on your phone. It may be a little bit different depending on what phone you use, but that's what I use. Have in your mind that each layer represents a slide. Even if you have similar pictures, don't try to layer it. That makes things complicated. Just copy it over and just merge everything so you just have slide by slide by slide. That'll get too complicated if you're trying to be smart about it, right? And have like maybe a background on layer 1 and then having the other stuff on slide 2 and 3. It'll get too complicated. So just have each slide independent. Okay, pause when switching between slides. You have to click and hit the layer button and then hit your layer, activate it, hide all the other layers. While you're doing all that, just pause it. The version of AZ Screen Recorder I have now, it's an option. You just tap the top right hand corner. Rotate the phone, not the canvas. Don't try to put it into landscape mode. Just keep it in portrait mode. Rotate the phone and toggle portrait mode inside of AZ Screen Recorder in the settings. Don't forget you can draw over layers. Just like if you want to make quick little notations on your kind of base template. For basic drawings, I use the 10.5 technical pen. And you can use the line geometry if you want to make it real technical, right? As always, you want to be neat as possible, so use the text option inside of Sketchbook Mobile. That'll make things look neater. What can also make things neater is using a grid and drawing on top of the grid. Using this here, what you're looking at here is using just the straight line option, where you just draw everything as a series of straight lines, and that's a way you can kind of make things neater if you don't want to use the text, right? It's whatever you're comfortable with. And then as you see here, you can blank out, hide the grid once you're done, right? So you can do it either way. You can have the grid still there, or you can just use it kind of like a marker of where, how to make things neater and more uniform, spacing, all that good stuff. So that's that. And then the last thing, in AZ Screen Recorder, it has an editor. Just rotate the final recording, rotate it, and everything will be clean for YouTube or wherever you're gonna play it. so it's not like sideways, right? So hopefully this will give you some good results, and keep making videos and movies, and we'll see you next time on Morgan Studios. Don't forget to like and subscribe.